Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. And for today's video, we're gonna shop online for a desk makeover. This video will only be the online shopping. I will do a haul and a whole desk makeover later in a different video, but right now we're just gonna shop. The majority is probably gonna be bought on AliExpress, mostly because it's just really cheap. Before we begin with shopping, I will give you a little desk tour of what it is right now, so you kind of have an idea of what there is now and what I want replaced with the different things. Let's get on with the tour. Okay, so this is my little desk area. It's been this way for a very long time. That's why I'm gonna change it. I always have my hairbrush here because I have no better place for it. Then we have this little thing, which I actually do still like, but I don't know if I'm gonna keep. All my makeup, hair stuff, skincare stuff, everything. Then this is my jewelry box, my blue light glasses, my normal glasses. I always have them here. My air humidifier. It might go to a different place. I don't know yet. On the wall, I have some Polaroids, and that is a spot of milk. And because of that, I might paint this wall, but I'll have to think about that. Here we have a mirror, a simple makeup mirror, pens and stuff. I'm not sure if I want to get a different like pen holders. Then we have this. It's like the jewelry that I wear the most, but it's so full. But I do think it's cute. I got it at a thrift store. And then we have some scrunchies. I actually do want something else for this too. And over here we have my agenda and my car keys. Then we also have this lamp, which I've had ever since I got this desk, which is like years and years ago. Like, it's a good lamp, but I want something cute. I want something different. The wall really needs an update as well. I've had this for so long too. Yeah, I just don't know what to do about it. We're not going to show the inside, but I do want something for the inside. We really have to give it a makeover, so let's shop. First, I just want to look up some cute desk on Pinterest and get some inspiration, so let's do that. Okay, this is my front page. I already see this. I actually really like this. Like those crates, I think they're really cute and I think they're gonna be very handy. But this is definitely already very cute, something I want to get. Ooh, this one. I also want to get a mirror like that. I always see them and I really want one. I've already seen them on AliExpress. It's just really cute. I really like it. This is so cute. What I also like are those little shelves thingies. I also want a different lamp. I already said that, but I want a different lamp. I want those really cute ones. Oh my god, this clock right here, I also really want that. I've always been so obsessed with them and I'm so gonna buy it. I'm also not sure what I'm gonna get on my wall. We're gonna go to AliExpress right now. There's the mirror already. It's so cute. I still want to buy this. Wow, shipping is a lot in this one. I think I may have already saved a few. Those are also cute, those bubble candle things. I was also thinking about getting one of those pillows for on my chair, but I don't know how comfortable that would be. Ooh, there you have the clock. This is also kind of cute. I think I'll go for this one, but which color? Is this one small? Like, if you look at this picture, it looks bigger than this one. It doesn't say like how big it is. Oh, they have a small pink and a big pink. Oh my god, the shipping costs. That is ridiculous. But I saw these. Look at this. That is so cute. Why is this so expensive? Oh, this is the lamp that I want to get. I think it's like some kind of knockoff from the one from Urban Outfitters, but it's so cool. This is also kind of cute, but I want something else than this. I want something different. I could try and make one myself, but I don't know how that's gonna go. Then we have this. I believe I've seen them in like different sizes. Like you have smaller ones and you have bigger ones. Oh wait, never mind. But they don't have really cute colors anymore. I like it, but I definitely want a pink one. I don't know if this would be cute for my scrunchies. I feel like it might just look terrible. I want big ones and small ones, but these are really small. I think I'm gonna buy 3 of the small ones. I definitely want the blue, yellow, and pink. This orange one is also really cute. These have different sizes. Oh, that's good. In that case, I'm gonna buy them all from this one, so there isn't like a difference in the color. I want the blue one, the pink one, and the yellow one is small. For the big ones, I'm gonna get the yellow one, the pink, and the orange, because the orange is also really cute. Oh, they have combined shipping. Oh, that's great. The clock. Yes, I already saved some clocks. Oh, this one has a remote control. Interesting. What is on it? I think in that way you can also turn it down a bit to make it less bright. I just want to get it. It's cute. I don't really get what the numbers are for, but there's like a brightness sign on it. Whoa, what? The brightness is automatically reduced by 50% during the period from 7 p.m. to 5:59 a.m. the next day, which is more convenient for eye protection. Okay, that is pretty cool. I'm just gonna add it to my basket, and if I find a better one, then that's great. I can't add it to my cart. I can't add it to my cart? Why not? Okay, then I'll buy it later. Yes, this is cute. It's kind of small. Like, I could just buy it and see if I'll use it because it's not that expensive. Unless I find something better. This is cute, but it doesn't have a lot of space. I don't know why I have this some womanizer in my head. You also have one for your phone. I don't really think this is necessary per se. Like, it's cute and aesthetic, but necessary, not really so much. I could always buy it later. I'm just gonna save it. I do think I'm gonna buy this one for my phone. I gotta tell you, I do want to get this. Oh my god, you can use it like this as well. That is so smart. But I like how you can just like put it in there. I kind of want it though, thinking about it. The lamp. Let's move on to the lamp. I definitely want this. I want to find it a little bit cheaper than this. Free shipping. Are you kidding? That is a lot cheaper. This one has 10-day delivery though, so this one's gonna be here early. This one's not so expensive though. But I don't know how big it is. It doesn't have to be too big. I just don't want it to be too small. Oh, there we have it. 15 centimeters. Wow, that is fairly small. That is not such a big lamp. I wanted a bit bigger than that. What is CE? Oh wait, I have inches on this as well. 9 inches is big. I don't know what CE plug is. Central European? Because our time zone is also called CET. This webpage was reloaded because a problem occurred. That is just fantastic. What did I sound? It's just having a mental breakdown right now. It's not great. Could you please tell me what the CE plug is? Hey! This does not make this video any easier, you know that? Oh! I'm gonna let my MacBook cool down a little and look on my phone. This makes it a bit easier because there are 2 different sizes, but I want to know how big it actually is. How do I know how big it is? Oh, yeah, that is really small. But I think a big one is gonna be so expensive. Oh, that's so cute. This is the bigger one. Like, this is a good size. That's expensive. Oh. Where are you going? How is a small one 30 and a big one 70? Like, that is insane. But I think the small one's gonna be so small. I think I'm just gonna look for something else in the meantime. I'm gonna look on my laptop again. I'm gonna look for a cute tray. I also have these shallow thingies, but I don't know. I mean, I could. It is kind of cute. A little bit more expensive. I'm gonna add it to my cart. Wait, first I want to look for like a pen holder. What does it say? Pen holder. It is kind of cute, but there may be something cuter. Oh, this is kind of cute. It's some kind of basket. This is actually kind of cute. I like this. I think this would really fit the rest that I got. I like the other one better. I'm wondering how stable this is. They're basically the same, and this one is cheaper, so, and it has combined delivery, so that's really nice. So I'm gonna go for this one. I think I'm gonna go for 1, but maybe I'll change my mind and go for 2. But for now, I'm gonna stick to 1. What I also want to look at is a makeup mirror. It's not a lot, but I also didn't really expect that much. Let me just look up makeup mirror. This is cute. I like this. This one's not even that expensive. It's from H&M. I don't know if I want it in gold. I have silver right now. Let me see if they have it in a city nearby. They do. I do like it. I really like the look of it. So I'm gonna keep this one in mind. We have it in silver. I don't know. I kind of like this one. I like how thin it is. Like, that makes it really pretty. I do definitely think I want to go for this mirror. I think the lamp, I'm just gonna spend a lot of time looking for the right one, so I'm not gonna do that right now because that's gonna take me a lot of time. I think we got most of it, most of the stuff that I want to buy. However, for the wall, I just don't know what I want to do, so I'm gonna have to figure it out before I'm gonna shop, because I've already been shopping for so long. But most of the stuff I already got. I didn't get everything yet, but I'm also gonna look around at the mall, see if I can find some cute things. I'm gonna do more research on the lamp and find a really good one. But I really enjoyed this shopping session with you. It was really fun. Anyways, I hope you liked this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to become a part of the family. And I hope I will see you next time.